Today I am taking you on a little adventure. I am using my map to give you a better understanding of where our trips take us. Today we are leaving Catharm Road and heading in the country. We are just coming to Rattling Brook Falls. It's a beautiful sight on this beautiful day. A great start to our trip. And now we are on the way again. We are heading in the country and now just visiting Cooney's Arm. This is a beautiful place, a resettlement, and we're on the way again. They are just on the hoist. We're heading across the Catharm Reservoir. Conditions are pretty good. We're headed in the country and just come upon the Cochrane warm-up shelter. Great spot for skidoers, for emergency purposes, or just warm-ups. And now we're on the way again. Now we're at our lunch place and we're having lobsters and scallop. It's our annual fish boil up and it was a great success. We're headed back on the trail again and on our way to Sam's Pond. Crossing the brook and just going around Sand Pond because the pond is covered in slush and ice. Just stopping by the lodge for a quick second before we head back out the country. We took the Eastern Trail and now heading back to the road. We didn't take the Catharm Reservoir today. We took the road and almost back to our truck.